Okay, so today we're going to be looking at, like I said, I'm going to give you the x and y intercept. Your job will be, of course, to find out where the x and y intercept is. Go ahead and create a line that passes through those 2 points. But the second part to that, which I'm going to add today, is, okay, if you know where the x-intercept is, and if you know how to create a line, can you find the slope for it? And can you find the y-intercept? Because if the answer to that is yes, you know how to do that, then everything falls into play, and now we can put slope-intercept form. Any questions with that so far? So let's look at the first example that we have. And our first example says, I have x-intercept to be located at -1, and my y-intercept to be located at -2. With this information, we also have to be careful as to where we put it. So now, the x-intercept, of course, is located on the x-axis. It's at -1. And the y-intercept is located where?
-2.
At -2. From here, it's fairly easy to tell where it's going to be. Let me exit I don't like that view. Now I'm going to create the line that passes through these 2 points. There it is. Some of you are still giving me a line that's extremely small. This is all I see. I need you to exaggerate. The line has to be bigger than your graph so that I know that you know what you're talking about. It is a line that you have. And because it is a line, it also has arrows. So please understand that or be aware of that. So now, that's what we talked about Friday. Today, I'm going to introduce, given the following line, right? If it's right there, how can we find the slope of it? Well, I give you the first point. And here's your second point. And we're going to do the same things that we've been playing with, which is rise over run. So how many did I go down? I went down 2, and then I went over 1. Why is it that we say -2 again, sir?
Because you're going down instead of just going up.
We're going down 2. So my slope here is -2 over 1. And where's my b? Where's my y-intercept? Where does this line hit the y-axis? Yes, sir.
-2.
At -2. With this information that we have, now I can use this formula. Y is equal to mx plus b, where I get to substitute in what I know about my slope, and I get to substitute what I know about my y-intercept. And from there, everything is super simple. So here we go. I have y is equal to parentheses x plus parentheses. Now, I'm putting parentheses, or I'm introducing parentheses, because you need to understand where the slope goes and where your y-intercept goes. So here's my slope. And here is my y-intercept. So now I have y is equal to, my slope is -2 over 2. When we put it into the formula, though, we could just simply say -2. And I'll be okay with that. So I have -2x, and then I have plus, parentheses, -2. But what do we know about a positive and a negative? What do we know about a positive and a negative? A negative. So my final solution here is going to be y is equal to -2x minus 2. This is the equation of the line that contains, okay, listen to me carefully. This is the equation of the line that contains x-intercept to be located at -1 and my y-intercept to be located at -2. Okay, are you following me so far?
Yeah.
So for the second example that we have, we are looking at the y-intercept to be at -4, which is right here, and the x-intercept, and then the y-intercept, which is located down here. Again, we go ahead and we grab a line that's going to pass through these 2 points. Just like I said from the beginning, please make sure that this line passes through both of the points, and it contains arrows on both sides. And then I said, okay, so if you can figure that out, you can definitely figure out what the rise over run is. Here's my first point, and I'm going to go straight down. How many?
4.
And then I go over
4.
where I can create this 90 degree. I went down, so I know that it's a -4 over 4. So my m is negative 4 over 4. Or when I simplify, it becomes what? Negative 1. My b is located where?
Negative 4.
At negative 4. It's wherever this line crosses the y-axis. Okay? Now I'm just going to substitute what I know. So I know that I am looking at this formula called slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to negative 1x minus 4. Or when I simplify, I can put y is equal to negative x minus 4. Please understand that either of these two is correct. It's just that in math we don't put the negative 1. It's already implied there when we look at it.
Mm-hmm.